We are doing 100 layers of foundation. It's terrifying. Imagine waking up and this is looking at you.
Hi everyone, I'm James Welsh.
And I'm Robert Welsh.
And we are the Welsh Twins.
Yeah.
Hi. Welcome to Look Fantastic's YouTube channel as well.
So thank you so much to Look Fantastic for having us on your YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe right here.
Is it there still?
I don't know where it is.
It's somewhere. Also, if you like the video, give the video a thumbs up and also turn on the notification bells to see more videos in the future from Look Fantastic. We have kind of an old school style challenge today.
We do, but we've never tried it.
Yeah, and we wanted to give it a go.
We're going to do it really in depth and really look into it. No, I don't know what I'm saying.
It's not that deep.
It's not that deep.
Not that deep.
However, we are doing 100 layers of foundation. Now, we're going to think about how we're going to apply it, how I'm going to build it up. I'm going to try and make it look as natural as possible. And
you're going to try and make 100 layers of foundation
every
look
day
natural.
wear 100 layers.
Okay.
No, that's impossible. But it's very important to remove the makeup, so especially 100 layers.
Yeah, so we're going to put a few of my favourite oil cleansers, cleansing balms, and tools, I guess you could say, to the test as far as how easily they remove 100 layers of foundation, which you'll never need them to do, but it's going to be really, really cool to see how extreme they are.
If it removes 100 layers, you know it's going to remove like 2 or 3.
Yeah.
I mean,
it will, right? Yeah. So what foundation have you chosen?
I've chosen the Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation. This is 24-hour wear. So I'm hoping... I'm kind of going against you here. No offense. I'm kind of going against you in that I want it to last forever.
Like, you want it to be difficult to take
I
off.
want it to be 100 days. 1 layer a day. I can redo my foundation 100 days.
I don't think that's how it works.
Yeah. So, 24-hour wear. It's very long-lasting on the skin. I have oily skin and I've used foundation before and I really, really like it.
But it's waterproof now.
It is waterproof.
It's waterproof.
It's everything proof.
Okay.
Fire.
Well,
Wind.
I wouldn't advertise it as that because it's not. Listen, I'm not scared. I'm not scared of you.
I'm not scared of you.
Or your makeup. And you know why? Because I have the Elizabeth Arden Ceramide
classic.
Replenishing Cleansing Oil. A classic. You always see this at the airport for some reason, don't you? And I got quite the army with me as well. So not just this oil, but oils are great at removing the layers of sunscreen I wear every single day. And although they don't have pigment in, they can sit quite heavy on the skin.
You can feel it. I think you can feel when your skin isn't properly cleansed.
Yeah. So I feel that this is going to cut through at least 50 layers of your makeup. And if it's not, then we have another classic, the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I feel like this is gonna get right into the crevices more as we get deeper down to the layers. So like around your eyes, your nose, whatever this is called. Chin crease.
Lower lip crease.
Lower lip crease. And then to really make sure we have it out of your hairline, your eyebrows, your beard line, all those creases, we have just a cloth, like a cleansing cloth, which a lot of people don't use nowadays. And I used to be very anti-cloth, but they do give you a very good cleanse.
Yeah, I think you just need to make sure they're clean every time you use them.
Oh, yeah.
Don't have one hanging around your bathroom for a few days.
Yeah, buy like 20 packs of these. Right, how long do you think it's going to take you to put that on? Because I have stuff to do.
What's the time now? Right, it's the morning, so till tomorrow morning?
Till tomorrow morning, that's fine. I'm free.
Okay.
What are you going to use to apply? I think we should apply it first as a normal foundation.
Yes.
Just kind of see how it works.
I'm going to apply it with a brush first, and I'm going to use like a flat kabuki brush. So it's a heavy layer, but it has more of a natural finish. So you can get full coverage and have it still looking like skin. So that's what I'm going to do. The more we get in, I feel like I'm going to need more intense backup. So I've got a beauty sponge, and I feel like it's just going to get on quicker.
Okay.
Because I don't know how much patience I'm going to have at applying 100 layers.
Yeah.
It's also so anti-me to have more than 2 or 3 layers of foundation on the skin.
It is.
Shall we do it?
I mean, we just have to get on with it.
This is life. Okay, so I kind of blindly chose the colour, so let's hope that... Well...
That's wrong. Listen, this isn't about the colour or the shade.
This isn't about me.
This is about testing its durability.
Exactly, and I've gone in with actually quite a bit, so we're almost there. I'm going to consider this 20 layers.
No, I don't. It's technically not how we do it. Oh, I should keep count, right?
Yeah, can you pass me that mirror?
Do you have an abacus? Oh, what, this one?
An abacus? Yes, I do. Yes, we're in ancient Rome and I have an abacus right here. I don't mind so much having a foundation that's slightly lighter because on my skin, you'll see it's just going to get darker and darker as it sits. Oxidization.
Is this how much you'd usually apply with this foundation anyway?
Honestly, no. I would actually use less.
You've gone a bit crazy.
I've gone crazy.
But how is it overall as a foundation?
It's a really good foundation. I feel like when people think of full coverage, I think they think it has to be like this obviously like clockable makeup, whereas it can be natural on the skin. You can still get a good, decent coverage from it. Watch me be about 20 different colours to my neck and my ears.
Oh, it's just gonna get worse. I mean, are you gonna be doing that every step to make sure it looks nice at each layer, or are you just gonna go for
I just wanted to do this nice now.
Okay.
You know.
Yeah.
Because it's about to be a very difficult day for me.
Yeah. We have a long day ahead of us.
Yeah. We got snacks. Okay, so this is layer 1.
Okay, wait, let me write that down. Do you just have pen and paper?
No.
You had a notepad.
Oh, I do, yes.
I'm just gonna tally them.
Okay, I don't know where the pen is.
Can I use like
No,
an
no,
eyeliner?
no, you cannot use an eyeliner.
In your office.
Okay, so you know what? The brush is going to take so long. I'm just going to go straight in with a beauty sponge. And I haven't dampened this, and I would always usually dampen a beauty sponge because, you know, it's a more natural application and just looks nicer. But I want to get this on.
Sure.
Okay, 1.
Talk amongst yourself.
Wait there. Just wait.
Wait. Only 98 more to go.
2. The difficult thing was when you start to build it up so much, it's so difficult to blend because you start to get like the print off a brush and streaks everywhere. Maybe I should give it a few moments to dry in between each layer.
I don't think we have the time for that. Just gonna say,
I'm not gonna be very precise. It's gonna get everywhere, so I might as well just go for it.
Yeah. Get it in your eyebrows. Love that.
3.
Your eyes are slowly disappearing.
Your eyes will disappear too.
Oh.
If you worked this hard.
Yeah, no, you're right.
You too could look like this.
That it's getting louder and louder as you do it.
It's
like,
oh sorry. Oh my God. Sorry again. It's getting very
cakey, spongy. Do some ASMR.
That's not Velcro.
No, believe it.
That's just
not.
my skin.
Is that 10 yet?
That's 10.
10.
Now, how are we feeling about the eyebrow situation? Should I wipe them?
No, I think leave it. Let's
Right.
just see.
Right.
Yeah, because I think an important part about oil cleansing is making sure all your product, whether you can see it or not, is gone from the hairline, eyebrows, places where if you leave product, you could break out possibly.
I feel like I'm not going to have a face after this.
Sure, you might not.
Okay, so let's go on to the next 10. Oh, this is going to take so long.
I know, we need to do 10 of these 10s. We'll just carry on filming so we can speed up a quick montage of you doing it.
Okay. So slowly as I'm going as well. The foundation's having nothing to grip to it except itself.
Yeah.
So it's kind of starting to make like these really weird shapes on my face.
So this is the 20th layer. This is taking a really long time.
I'm worn out. My back hurts. I'm thirsty.
Your skin looks thirsty, I must say. It's starting to look like your colour now because...
Well, it's going to this really strange colour. It's like it's a completely different colour, and then I put it on, and I guess it's kind of just sitting.
You can see it like struggling
on itself.
to... Yeah.
Look, like it's literally like printing on my face.
Yeah. It's terrifying.
My teeth look a healthy blue.
They do.
Look,
English grey.
I've got like lines on my face where it just can't blend into anything else. Oh. I'm doing my lips and my eyebrows because it's just
Easier,
saves time
yeah.
because I can just go over my whole face that way.
Right, I'd say that's your 10th layer. Let's come back at 99 because we're going to be here for a good couple of hours.
See, the perfectionist in me wants to blend it properly. I don't want to see any streaks.
You can't.
I can't.
You can't keep doing this.
It's just unrealistic.
Right, listen, we'll see you in about 2.5 hours, I think.
Yeah.
All right, see you at 99. So the camera can't even focus on me. Because you are so light right now.
I'm just in the
It's making me look
spotlight.
so- But here we are, 100 layers.
I am. Here's how my day's been. I can't unlock my phone with Face ID anymore
Yeah.
because I'm featureless.
Yes.
It got to a point where I couldn't physically blend the foundation anywhere, so I had to start blending it into my beard and my hairline.
Yeah, it's drying down quite well, to be fair.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. I'm after a clay texture. It's surprised. It doesn't feel heavy. I know it sounds really weird, but it doesn't feel heavy. I like it, maybe because I did it gradually, but I'm aware of it's like my face, but I'm not like, oh, my face.
I must tell you, it does look heavy.
That's your opinion.
That's my
makeup
opinion.
shaming.
Yeah, no, you're right. Right, listen. It's drying down quite well, actually.
Look at those creases in my eyelids. No, because
No.
you're just gonna...
Yeah, no, of
See?
course. Yeah. Okay. I would recommend wrapping that towel around your shoulders because what we need to do now is, I feel like, take off the top layers.
Yeah.
Because we're not going to get right down to the bottom just yet. Are you cold?
Imagine waking up and this is looking at you.
You have a cleanser. Whilst double cleansing isn't necessary, your average everyday cleanser will have enough surfactants in it to be able to wash everything away.
Right.
I do feel, however, when it comes to waterproof, when it comes to things that are supposed to sit on the top layer of your skin, I do feel like an oil cleanser is, in general, just a gentler way to remove them easier without any scrubbing.
Just, do you remember how it was kind of my shade when we started?
Yes. You look like you should be on a coin.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. So I'm gonna... This isn't how you apply oil, but I think the easiest way to do this is for me to drip it down your face and you just start massaging.
I'm so tired of this.
I know. This is the one video where...
Wait, I have to do this. Can't I
think-
sit back and relax now and you can just spa treatment?
I don't think there's any need for both of us to get covered in foundation.
Wait, just
Listen,
1 minute, please.
listen. I'll help you towards the end. I don't do it.
What, when you can use a
sorry.
cloth?
I'm not doing it. Get
No,
my manager on the
I'm
phone.
sorry.
I'm not doing it.
I'm sorry.
Fine, I'll do it.
Yeah,
Fine.
Okay, tell me when.
Okay, do you have any hair clips or anything?
No, just, I mean, don't worry about my hair.
Okay.
Look at it.
Really close your eyes. This is actually fine to use around the eyes as well, but I wouldn't exactly open your eyes whilst it's happening.
Yeah,
Oh, I could already see your skin underneath.
Already?
Yeah. Well, not like your skin, but probably like the first layer. No, look, it's...
All that time I spent doing this and you can see my skin
Yeah,
straight
look on your
away.
nose, you can actually already see a bit of skin underneath. So this is packed with ceramides as a cleanser. So whilst cleansing oils aren't going to strip away that moisture and hydration that you really do need in your skin, it's just nice to give your skin that extra like little, what's the word? Punch. Like ceramides are essentially the building blocks of your skin. So you know, feed your skin ceramides when you can. I'm actually going to go in with a cloth earlier than I thought because I feel like now is a good time to kind of just wipe away the majority of this product.
You get to my eyes.
Oh yeah, hang on. I wouldn't recommend opening them still
Sure.
though. Let me just get to your chin as well. Do this, like re-tighten your lips.
I can't see you.
Oh, tighten your lips.
do you
No,
mean?
no, like bum. Yeah. Missed a cheek there. So look, now everything's getting oils in it. We all had to suffer because of you. Surprising how selfish you can be. This smells nice. Not overly fragrant. I'm glad you bought in a bowl of cold water.
I don't like hot water.
No, but you do need something warm. Okay, this is just a cloth. Oh my god. You're gonna cry when you see you, because you would have missed this. Look at me. Oh my god. You're back.
I feel like me again.
Hang on, let me do your eyes so you can open them.
Please. This is why I think when removing makeups, a lot of people use a wipe and then just wash their face. But I'm like, listen, get oil, get that stuff right out your skin. Just apply it, rinse it off, and you're good. And even like, you know, follow up with your normal cleanser.
I mean, obviously, usually you'd be a little bit more gentle, but okay, I think you're safe to open your eyes.
Wow. I think I look better with the layers.
I think we should put it back.
I think we need to put this back on.
Yeah. Listen, I'm gonna go get some warm water because this is freezing. You will actually have to do this bit yourself.
Okay.
So we're gonna go in now with the cleansing balm because I feel this is really gonna get into your facial hair, around the hairline. You couldn't take time massaging this in a bit more. And it's just really to show off another cleanser that I really like. So this is just like a really basic cleanser, really cleansing balm. Nothing more to it other than it's gonna help break it all down, and then we're gonna emulsify it to help properly remove everything off and then rinse it away. You can see how much more is like coming away. And...
It just, yeah, I mean, it was, bits just came out my face where I didn't even know it was in the first place. Now I'm just like, no, I'm panicking, like I want it off my face.
Don't panic. I mean, you're gonna have to shampoo that out of your actual hair.
Who says I want it out my hair?
Yeah. Why would you? There's a lot down the side, but this is doing a good job.
What do you think of the...
Yes, I like that a lot.
Keep going, forehead, all on the head.
You got a bit in your moustache here as well.
Well, I mean, it's everywhere.
Yeah, you know it is. And now we're gonna gently wipe this away.
Oh, I thought you said gently.
Look, it's all wiping away pretty effortlessly, shall we say, after that cleansing balm. Am I right?
Yeah, it actually really easily came off.
For the hours that it took into applying all those layers, it took minutes to take it all off.
Time well spent.
Time well spent. This is why I love a double cleanse. Whether you wear makeup or sunscreen. If you don't wear any of those, you don't have to double cleanse. But if you are wearing something that is an added layer, I always feel like you should take it off with an oil or a cleansing balm, and then let the other cleanser cleanse your actual physical skin.
Yeah, there's no shame in wearing full coverage makeup. Just remove it properly for your sake, for your skin's sake.
I think so.
Be kind to your skin. And another good thing about balms and oils is my skin doesn't feel tight. It doesn't feel stripped of any moisture. It feels slightly more bouncy.
Yeah, if you do have really dry skin, you could use something like a cleansing balm for both your cleansers if you want to, and it just leaves you with that nice, almost untouched finish to your skin instead of any kind of like stripping with water and all the surfactants and stuff. So yeah, your skin actually looks decent for going through a lot today.
I think you're going to say for a change.
No! What? Listen, thank you so much for watching this video, and again, thank you to Look Fantastic for hosting us on your channel.
Thank you. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Look Fantastic's YouTube channel for maybe more of this. I don't know if anyone's going to do anything like this after, or if they'll ever have anyone back on their channel.
Also, come and follow us on the Welsh Twins, or just my channel for skincare, James Welsh.
And my channel for more makeup, Robert Welsh.
And we'll see you over there.
Bye.